Choose Type tool and type your text. Then choose the polygon tool. Click and hold Alt and drag your mouse down. Choose Line Segment tool. Switch Fill Color to Stroke. Select the group and go to Pathfinder, then choose Divide. Go to Object and click on Ungroup and then choose the middle part and delete it. Select the first word in the upper shape of the polygon. Then go to Object and click on Envelope to Stored. Then on Make with Top Objects. Select the second word and then lower part of the polygon and do the same steps as before. Go to Object and click to expand and hit OK. Go again into Object and click on Group. Go to Edit and click on Copy. Go again to Edit and click twice on Paste in Place. Change the color of the topper group and hide it. Then choose the lower group and scale it down and change the color. Now select the middle group and change the color. Then select the lower and middle group and go to Object and click on Blend, then on Make. Go again to Object and again on Blend and choose Blend Options. Choose Specified and change the number to 50 and hit OK. Then go to the topper shape and click on the eye behind it to make it visible.